Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's Eve. I'm so excited for this video. Today we are creating a very fun makeup look for New Year's Eve. In today's video, I am going to be testing out the Wet n Wild Mini Liquid Catsuit eye set. I picked this up in Walgreens and I thought this would be really fun to play with for New Year's Eve because you have your metallics, you have your sparkles. It's going to be a blast. So we're going to play with this. I'm also going to be using the Tati Beauty palette as well to create a nice smoky, sparkly, fun eye look for New Year's Eve. We're going to go ahead and start with the eyes first. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and then let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is pull my hair back. I have my little curls that they don't want to do anything. They just kind of want to be free. So first I'm going to go in and use my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer to prep the eyelids. Stick concealer, and then I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid. The cream eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow that we have here is kind of like a beigey color in the transition, and then I'm going to kind of build it up using a shade from the Tati Beauty palette. I'm going to see how it works out. I'm going to start using it with my finger and then just tap that on. I'm going to go in the Tati Beauty palette here and go into Matte Soothe right over top of that cream eyeshadow that we use. Alright, I'm going to go into a little bit of Sequin in Memory, that in the outer crease. And I'm going to use the same brush that we used for Soothe, and I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the metallic shade in the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadows, and this is called Ruby Heist. Using a flat brush like this, I am going to go in with the brush and kind of apply it to the outer part of my eyelid. I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just take some on my finger and then go in straight with my finger and apply it. Now using the other side of that flash brush that we used for the black shade, I am going to go into Sequin in Poet. And I'm just going to kind of go over the black shade and that metallic. Just kind of blend it all in. Go into the shimmery liquid eyeshadow in, what shade is this called? Cashmere Love. I'm going to just apply this straight from the wand itself. And I'm not going to bring this all the way into my inner corner. I'm going to keep maybe the first third of it open. Aurora in the glitter row. I'm going to apply that with my finger right in that inner corner that I left open. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just clean up the edges, and then you're going to go on to the face. So the primers that I'm going to be using today are the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and the NYX Angel Veil. So I'm going to go into the Angel Veil first, mostly all over my face. I'm going to go in with the Putty Primer, and this is going to stay in my T-zone. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I'm going to buff that in with my Real Techniques brush. Alright, so I just applied some to the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take my sponge and just pick that up and then just blend everything out. Make sure it's all nicely pressed into the skin. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm using the shade C3. Powder today, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Hydra Perfect loose powder. Bronzer today, and I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. For blush today, I am going to be taking these two shades from Milani and mixing them together. Alright, so going back to the eyes now, I am going to go back into my Tati Beauty palette. And we are going to go back into the Matte Soothe in the palette. Now I'm going to go into Matte Poet. I'm just going to keep this on the outer third, maybe a little bit further in, but not too far in. Take a clean brush and I'm just going to kind of blend those shades up a little bit into the upper eyeshadows, just so that they kind of all blend pretty seamlessly. I am going to take a little bit of Memory Matte here, just like the tiniest bit, not a lot. And just going to put this on the very outer corner. Going back into that clean brush and just kind of blending everything together. So in this Wet n Wild set, it does come with the eyeliner. This is a brown eyeliner. It's pretty dark brown. So I think this is what we're going to use. I just want to keep this on the outer part of my eye. I don't want to bring it too far in. This eyeliner is glowing on really well. It's almost black when you put it on. It's crazy, but it's still like soft. It's not too black. So I really like that eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorites. If you guys saw my 2019 favorites, I will have that linked for you guys. But it is the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. I can't even tell you, I love this mascara so much. I have tried it against like high-end mascaras and it wins every time. I don't know why, but I mean, I'm glad it does, because $10 versus like 25, 30 bucks is a big difference. So alright guys, so I just quickly went off camera and did my eyebrows. I used the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil, and then I used the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 305, and then the Maybelline I am in medium brown. Yeah, medium brown. I'm going to go into the Tati Beauty palette and go into Matte Aurora, and I'm just going to take a little bit on a small brush, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner. And then whatever I have left over is I'm going to apply to my brow bone to kind of highlight that. For lips, I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. Then I'm going to go into Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in MoonChild. Highlighter, I'm going to be using the X Nabela Noor Loose Highlighter. Set the face, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. My sponge and just kind of pat everything down. Alright guys, that is it for my New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. In the comments down below and tell me what you think. I wanted this to be kind of smoky but still really fun and colorful. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified, click that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload videos, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year, and I will see you guys next year. Bye!